Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to check who saved your number using Getcontact app. Let's get started. Go to the App Store, download Getcontact and open it. Sign in with your phone number, then verify it with the SMS code. After that, allow the permissions it asks for. Once you're in the app, tap the Tags section. This is where you'll normally see the names other people have saved your number as, like bestie, work, or nickname. But if you just downloaded Getcontact and don't see any tags yet, don't worry because simply means no one in their contact or database has saved your number with a visible tag. Sometimes it takes a little while before tags start to show up. So you can check back later or try inviting friends who use Getcontact. And if you want full details and unlimited tax searches, Getcontact also offers a premium plan. And that's it. It's simple, quick, and gives you some insight into your contacts. Remember, the accuracy depends on how many people are using Getcontact and have saved your number. Try it yourself and discover who your number saved. It's a small feature, but it can be surprisingly fun to explore.